Yeah, family. So this is actually the office, as you can see. Wow. This is the office. This is how they do it. Okay. This is how they do it. I work it out here, your family. Depends on the
house you're taking.
yeah. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, man.
Hello. 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 My name is Tom.
Okay, Tom. Nice meeting you.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So Susan said you prefer one bedroom and babysitter. So I believe Susan said you prefer one bedroom and babysitter, yes?
Yes, I'm interested in the babysitter. How much do I have to pay down?
Let me show you.
Wow. It's real business, family.
So babysitter, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Babysitter is the 43 square meter. We sell 3.5 million. We pay 30%. It's the 3.4. We pay 50%. 3.3. We pay full cash. 3.1 million.
3 point. Oh, okay.
It's good deal, yes.
30%. Yes, yeah. Well, you guys will be killing the market with this.
We are Chinese company.
Oh, great. So we are a real estate agency company.
Yes.
This is our client. This is our client right here.
So,
So,
what's your name?
what's the name, sweetie?
Rowan.
Rowan. Yeah. Rowan Agency and Management Company. Yeah.
What's your name?
Romesh. And this is my wife, Mary.
Romesh.
Romesh.
Sir.
Yeah. So I guess we'll come and maybe we can have a meeting. We can help you get some sale and stuff and get this thing going fast for you.
Of course.
Yeah.
So you see, this is the hospital coming up there.
Mm-hmm.
Hospital. You know it?
Wow.
Hospital there.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this, right
This
here.
building right here.
There.
Wow.
Hospital there. There, hospital coming up.
Okay.
They start to breaking canal.
Mm-hmm.
They start to breaking canal in December 7th. You see, in the December 7th, they start to breaking canal. You see, for hospital.
Oh, perfect.
So, is this price good for you?
Yes, it's good. And then I have 24 months to complete payment.
How
36 months. Is it 36 months?
It's 24 or 36 months.
24 months, yes. I give 24 months.
34 months.
24
months.
2 years.
To complete payment.
Yes.
And that's the best you can do? That's the best?
But what's your payment plan? How much deposit you want to pay? Deposit. So, according to your payment plan.
Huh? So it's like $10,000 for the down payment, 1.3 for the 25% a check. So for the 30% it's a little bit lower, maybe like maybe 8,000, 9,000 US.
How much is 50%?
Almost $23,000.
$23,000.
Okay, for what? For which one?
You want to pay dollar or you want to pay Kenya shilling? You want to pay dollar or you want to pay Kenya shilling?
$5.
Dollar, $23,000.
23. Oh wow. For cash?
For cash, almost
20.
almost $20,000.
Oh, yeah, 20. Oh, yeah. So cash is $20,000. With the installment, depends on which one you want. You'll pay like 23,000 US for like 30%.
Installment.
Installment.
23,000. Full cash, 20,000. Almost, yes.
Yeah.
It's a good deal because after finishing we apply for we have electricity phase. After finishing we apply for UN certificate. From here to UN office 4 kilometers. So after finishing we apply for UN certificate. UN people can give your apartment. They will pay $1 for rental.
So what is that UN certificate? What is it?
It's called UN approval.
So you'll be actually be protected by UN as a foreigner.
The UN office come to check your your security, your finishing, If it's fit their
Standard.
they give us approval.
Ah.
So if they allow their people come
Oh, to come to work, yeah. Just like in where we're staying right now, 4 ways. This is the UN cars with the red plate. That's the UN cars. So for UN person to live at the estate, them have to come and approve that this is suitable for them, for their people to live there. Oh, so that's what he's saying.
Yeah, this house is there, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So my question is, what's 50% as a down payment?
All right, let me see.
50% is almost 50% of 3.3 million, almost 1.65 million, almost 11,000, $10,500.
And it's still 24 months to complete payment.
No problem. But only finish your payment, you can get a key. Only you finish your payment, you can get a key.
You get a key.
So the earlier you
Oh.
finish it, it's better for you.
Oh, so
Ah.
I can't get a key unless payment is complete.
Yes.
Okay.
This is all the Canada same, you see, because of we have experience. Some clients, we give them key before finishing the payment, they refuse to pay anymore.
Oh.
No, I mean, not about you. I mean, we just be security, no argue. No argue between us and a client. Just finish your payment, you get a key, so no argue.
Okay. So like how much per month you will pay? Let's say she paid at 50%. How much per month will she pay for the 24
for
20?
advance, yes.
How many US?
$400.
$400 a month for 2 years.
$410.
A month.
Per month, almost.
A month, yeah. Perfect.
For per month. After you pay 50%.
After you pay 50%.
Another
Yeah.
$410.
Yeah.
And payment is cash only?
No, you can pay installment or cash. Like pay cash, you have more discount.
Yeah, but I'm saying, if I want to pay cash,
Yes.
okay, let me see. So I could pay cash or I could pay in Kenyan shilling.
Yes.
Okay.
But you pay dollar, you give better rate.
The discount, yeah.
No, I mean the better exchange rate. Exchange rate. For example, now the market price almost for the bank rate almost 154.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
give 158 something, no problem. I mean for exchange rate, we better in bank.
Okay.
Because of now we buy material from China because of the change China trading to dollar. So you need to pay us dollar, we can give better rate. So we don't need to exchange it to ourselves. We are international developer.
And this place will be completed when?
January, next month.
Okay.
No, not almost done. Only what? Only the washroom not done. Most of them are done. Also common area not done. For example, swimming pool and gym, small gym not done. Most of them are done.
Okay, let me think about it and get back to you. Because I know someone who is also interested in a 2 or 3 bedroom. So I'll talk it over with them and
Better
get
rate.
back to you.
So it's you pay 30% for deposit. 9.7 you pay 50%. 9.5 you pay for cash. 9 million. Wait, I give some document and write it down. It's okay, I can give you one more.
Oh yeah, perfect. I need one.
This for title deed.
Title deed, okay.
Freehold. This bank details something. So this you can take it home.
Okay.
And then you can write down for how the price going. I mean you can write down for 30% how much, 40, 50% how much.
50%, yeah.
Because this is yours.
I have it here.
Thank you.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah, this is the best you can get right now in a newly built apartment. Yeah.